Dripping sauce, dripping sauce, dripping sauce, Saturday, Saturday, dripping, drip. All right, today I'm going to show you how to make spicy jelly sauce, okay? The first thing you're going to need is jelly. The second thing you need is spicy sauce, okay? Right here I have Tabasco, green pepper sauce, okay? I'm going to open up the can of jelly, and I'm going to put maybe a teaspoon, tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons, and some spicy into the bowl. This is good for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. All right, put the spicy in there, and then I'm just going to mix it to an even consistency. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little bit. And that's how you make spicy Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.